Here, the top 10 most important questions of nursing aptitude. The question number first: in what cases can the medical data of the patient be disclosed? Here the options: option A, in case of emergency; option B, in case of death; C, in case of study purpose; D, in case of legal issue. And the correct answer is in case of legal issue. Now move on. Second question: nourishment of nerve cells is provided by, and the option is vitamin B12, B vitamin B1, C vitamin C, and the D vitamin D. And the correct answer is B vitamin B1. Now move on. Question number third: which of the following vitamins is produced in the sun rays? And here the options: option A vitamin D, option B vitamin A, option C vitamin B, and option D vitamin C. And the correct answer is vitamin D. Now move on. Question number 4. After you have washed your hand, which of the following items is an acceptable item to dry your hands? And here the options: option A, your kitchen apron, single use of towels, a towel clothes, and the last is none of the above. And the correct answer is single use paper towels. Now move on. Question number 5. Hand should be washed with water for at least how long? And here's the options: A 5 second, B 10 second, C 20 second, D 15 second. And the correct answer is 20 second. Let's move on. Question number 6. The way layer on the infant body is, and the here's options: A vernix caosa, B sebum, C lungo, D none of these. And the correct answer is A vernix caosa. The next question is question number 7. Which method is used for cleaning hands? And here the options: option A mechanical, B chemical, C physical, and D none of these. And the correct answer is chemical. Question number 8. What is the term used for a high pitched musical sound in clients during a respiratory assessment? And the option is quizzing, B crowning, C stridor, D sigh. And the correct answer is sneezing. Now move on. Question number 9. Which of the following is known to have a role in wound healing? And here the options: option A vitamin K, option B vitamin C, option C vitamin A, and option D vitamin B complex. And the correct answer is vitamin C. Now move on. The last questions. Benedict test is used to detect, and here's the options: option A sugar, option B protein, option C albumin, option D bile. And the correct option is sugar. These are the most 10 important questions of the nursing aptitude. So, thank you, follow and subscribe for more content. तब तक के लिए थैंक यू.